Welcome to Illuminati. Today we explore the scientific challenges humanity will face during the first 1,000 days on Mars. From the physiological impacts of a low-gravity environment to the psychological toll of isolation, this is survival, backed by science. Mars's gravity is only 38% of Earth's. Over 1,000 days, this reduced force weakens muscles, particularly in the legs and back, and accelerates bone density loss. On Earth, this would typically lead to osteoporosis, but on Mars, the effects are even faster due to constant exposure. Martian settlers will need daily resistance training to counteract these effects. Simulations on Earth suggest that with 2 hours of structured exercise per day, muscle and bone loss can be reduced, but not eliminated. On Mars, the thin atmosphere and lack of a magnetic field expose settlers to harmful radiation. Over 1,000 days, exposure to cosmic rays and solar particles could lead to DNA damage, increased cancer risks, and neurological impacts like memory loss and cognitive decline. Martian habitats will rely on natural shielding, like burying living spaces under several meters of regolith, and possibly advanced materials like hydrogen-rich plastics. Monitoring radiation exposure will be critical for long-term health. Microbial life could be both an ally and a threat. Some Earth microbes might adapt to Mars's conditions, helping with tasks like waste recycling or agriculture. But others could mutate in unpredictable ways, potentially endangering human health or contaminating Mars' ecosystem. Biological research will be vital not just for survival, but to answer one of humanity's greatest questions: can life truly thrive beyond Earth? Isolation and confinement on Mars mirror conditions in Antarctic research stations or space missions, but they come with additional challenges: no rescue missions, a 20-minute communication delay with Earth, and an environment that is inherently hostile. NASA studies suggest VR technology and scheduled social activities could mitigate the effects of monotony and isolation. However, the first 1,000 days will still test emotional resilience and group dynamics like never before. Food security on Mars relies on sustainable agriculture. Settlers will grow crops in hydroponic or aeroponic systems, using recycled water and artificial lighting. But Martian gravity may affect plant growth in unexpected ways, and initial reliance on stored Earth-based food adds pressure to succeed early. Could native Martian resources, like the perchlorate-rich soil, be treated to support farming? Solving these problems is essential for long-term survival. Mars Day, called a sol, is 24 hours and 39 minutes, slightly longer than Earth's. Over 1,000 days, this mismatch with Earth-based circadian rhythms could lead to sleep disorders, fatigue, and cognitive decline. Scientists recommend artificial lighting and carefully structured schedules to help settlers adapt. But even these interventions might not fully sync the human body to Mars time. Humanity may not just survive on Mars, it could evolve. Over generations, changes in gravity, radiation, and environment might lead to new traits in humans adapted for life on the red planet. Could Mars be the beginning of a new branch of the human species? The first 1,000 days on Mars are more than a challenge. They're an experiment in human adaptability, ingenuity, and resilience. Science will guide us, but the answers lie in the unknown. How will Mars change us? And how will we change Mars? This is Illuminati. Subscribe and join us as we uncover the science of our cosmic future.